ki khubor ki babania kadba ka Shillong kanang penkre ban penlong ya kawai na ki lumpung ya lekai football ba he kari hakasin baningkong kilai teli ki Trophi jong ka Indian Oil Durand Cup ba shis pa alai phulai kilawan poi ha Shillong menta kasngi balapin inam ya ki ha ka jingyalang ba isong kun kabalalong ha uso so tham auditorium haringkat bat ka jingyalang jingyadon lang umentri rang ba ka jila ukonrat ki sangma haba ai jingkran ha ka jingyalang usangma ula ai jingyaro ya ka jingtray shitam ka Durand Cup Organizing Committee ha ka baya day bat kani kasin jam ka bansa ken mau na benta ka jila ha kawai ka liang ka banbu ya ka Shillong ha ka map football jong kari ha kani kasngi lawan ya shim benta lang ru daki he officer ka tanat shipai.
What we give to organizations, to different associations, to the MFA and to different tournaments is also equally important. And hence in the last 6 years, different programs like the Meghalaya Games, and out of these 5 times, 3 of them were in the last 6 years of this government. In the middle we had COVID, otherwise we intended to have it every year.
In Northeast, we consider 2 states ultimate football fans. Number one is Meghalaya, number 2 Manipur, and possibly Mizoram. They may tie up. So not having a match in Meghalaya is just not acceptable. It is just that the stadium work last year, the Football Federation was not very particularly happy with the turf. That possibly we gave up last year. Otherwise, it's been Chief Minister's dream, partially my dream also, to get the Durand Cup here.